Yo, 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 yo. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? It's your boy Ant on the Go-Go. I'm back with another review. You already know. Thank you for all my subscribers. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for everybody tuning in. And thank you for, if you just clicked on the video, and you're not subscribed, thank you too, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for anybody that always been watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna talk about it's been going on for a couple days now. They just made a huge announcement on the platform, which I'm so hyped about. So let's get it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you love videos like this. And yeah, so basically, I usually talk about different things on my channel. I talk about games, travel. I'm in New York, so I be doing a whole bunch of different things. So, basically I have my own sneaker business. So that's what I do. And I'm an entrepreneur basically. So let me know what you need. I got you. So this is the big hype. So I've been on this platform for about 4 years, 5 years now, on and off. So the MECARI is super lit. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about, MECARI. So MECARI, they just did an update where now is no fees. So I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons about MECARI as of today. So, I'm gonna get into that. And if you're new and you never been on MECARI, it's a good app. Honestly, overall, it's a good app. I can't complain. You know what I'm saying? I used MECARI for a while, and it's a good app. It's a good app. I see them now. All these apps is competing against each other. And the number one app right now, well, eBay. eBay. Everybody go to eBay. You know what I'm saying? To sell everything. You know what I'm saying? eBay and Amazon. Those two is like hand in hand. So, pretty cool. Let me know which platform you guys use, or what's your top 3 platform you use today. So, but yeah, so MECARI basically did an update on, there's no seller fees if you live in the US. And, but the only thing is that now, there's no fees, which is great. But if you get a return, now they will accept any returns. And then there's a fee. There's a small fee if you transfer your money outside from your if you transfer it from the app to your bank. So there's a little fee. So a $2 fee. So that's the only two things that's the major things that they change on the platform starting today. So if you live in the US and you want to sell on MECARI, basically it's free charge. They won't charge you, but to take your money out, it charge you a fee. I see why they doing that. They trying to gain money. That's their way of gaining money or whatever. So, I mean, hey, the pros about MECARI that I love, I'm about to tell you. Like the pros, you can sell a lot of different things, and it's not everybody's on MECARI. You know what I'm saying? The group selected people. So if you have any unique items, you can move it fast. If you have any little item hanging around and stuff, it moves fast on MECARI. It's different than eBay and Amazon, where everybody and the competition is heavy. So as a seller on MECARI is great, and it's great and when you're a buyer too, because when you're on there looking for different things, you can find good deals that you won't find on eBay and you won't find on Amazon. So those are 2 great points about MECARI that I love. And the pros, now the pro is returns. You know what I'm saying? You may just get more return, or you may get something fake. My advice to you, don't sell nothing like, you know what I'm saying? Well, you can sell stuff like this, I'm gonna show you. This I posted up on this on MECARI, but don't sell no Travis Scott or something. You know what I'm saying? 9 out of 10, somebody might just scam you, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Don't sell no Travis Scott. You can sell sneakers like this, But my thing is, they could return it. They could swap your sneakers out, and then that would be the end. Once when the customer got your item, They could do 1,000,001 things with it. That's my concern with sneakers. I mean, games and stuff, they can't really swap it out, right? I mean, they could swap out the box. Like, let's say if I sell a game, let's say if I sell one of these games, right? And they try to do a fake box, I will know instantly. And the game would have to be fake. I would know instantly, like, it's over. But sneakers, sometimes you can't tell. So you may do the return, get back the sneaker thinking like, oh, it's the same thing. Then, come to find out it's fake. So, it's a warning. Be careful with that. Selling on Mercari now that they update the service. So, and, I feel like they always had that. Honestly, you could always return. But now, for any reason, they could return it. So, that's the one thing. That's the one con, you know what I'm saying, about Mercari. But other than that, it's cool, the fees, no fees, no more. I've been waiting for an app to have no seller fees. I've been waiting. You don't know, guys. I've been praying like, yo, I just need an app where there's no fees on it. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? And Mercari is just another great platform just to sell. Try it out if you never did. Don't listen to people saying, oh, Mercari is no good. Just try it out. If you never tried it, you can't say it's not good. But try it. If you try it and you're like, oh, okay, then it's not good. But for me, Mercari is thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. I sold many, many things, A lot of things I sold that I didn't sell on eBay. And I don't have Amazon. So there's that. So, it's all about utilizing all these platforms. All these platforms, you could utilize it to your best ability. You can do like TikTok and all these other platforms. It's different items for different platforms. That's what I would say. So, definitely, that's the update for Mercari, and I'm happy. Sure. Now I see an update where they pushing back the fees or whatever into April or whatever. So if you sell something and you're trying to put the money to your bank account, you'll be fine. They won't charge you a fee living in the U.S. But yeah, it's cool. I can't complain. I love Mercari. Love and hate situation with that. But let me know your thoughts on Mercari and what you think about the update. I think it's cool. It's competing with eBay and Amazon. And, those two, you already know. Amazon is worldwide. eBay is worldwide, global. It's like Amazon, eBay. There's nobody else that's doing it like eBay and Amazon. But Mercari, no fees? Okay, not even StockX. I don't like StockX. I hate StockX. I hate that. StockX. How many people hate StockX? Put the fire emoji right now. Put a fire emoji. And let me know what's your top 3 selling platforms. For me, I would have to say is eBay, Mercari, and OfferUp. Those are the 3 top ones for me. Let me know your thoughts on what's your top 3. Those are my top 3. And let me know if you like videos like this. I'm going to start, revealing more stuff. And yeah, Mercari, you can sell many different things. I sold a pen on there for $80 that I got free. You know what I'm saying? I can never do that on eBay because eBay is too many people on it, too many competitors. So definitely, guys, check out Mercari. Even check out other platforms like Poshmark. Poshmark is cool too. Now it's been a little dry for me on Poshmark, but hey, maybe you got different items that you can sell on. I wouldn't say, this app is whack. I say try it first, and if you don't succeed, move on to another app. That is just, at the end of the day, you're trying to get to your customers. And, use all these apps to get to your customers. You just want your loyal customers. And ultimately, that's what I want to do from this YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to transfer YouTube to my personal customers. You know what I'm saying? So I want to, I got so many different things. And yeah, let me know, guys. So thank you for always tuning in. I appreciate everybody. I'm trying to hit that 500 subscribe. So yeah, it's going to be a journey. It's going to be a journey. Stay tuned. That's all I got to say. Summer's coming. It's lit. It's a nice day in New York. I'm about to get me some water. Make sure you guys stay healthy. And it's lit. Woo, 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 woo. Lit. Do your thing. You already know. Stay healthy. Take care. And on the go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. You guys have enjoy your day. Woo! I'm about to go sell on Mercari right now. Shit, it's that good. You know what I'm saying? Like eBay, fees, but I don't get return on Mercari. I haven't got a return on Mercari, but definitely check it out if you're new to Mercari. And if you're not new and you stop using it, jump back on it, see what happened. And it's always new people on the app. That's what I like. It's always revamped, always updating. So that's cool. But I'll see you guys later.